My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. I'm sorry, my husband is cutting up so bad. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we are going to be opening our Luxe Box. Yes, this is a Luxe month. Okay, now I hope this one goes better than the last one. I'll link it up above so you can see it. I'm not saying anything. I don't want to go there. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open up this box and see if it does indeed go better. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Well, the theme for our Luxe Box is also bubbles and glitz. And for those of you who are not familiar, all the information is right down below. So if you want to become a part of the BoxyCharm family, everything you need to know is down below, as well as a link so that you can get some money off of your first box. So I'm going to go based on what I pull out first, okay? Just in case the items that are listed are further down in the box. So, anybody know what my favorite thing is? Can you tell? I should say one of my favorite things. Yes, it's another brush set. I like the packaging. It's Luxe. Okay, and you know we do Luxie brand over here, although last month was different. Check out the video above. Okay, well, the first item is the Luxie Glitter and Gold Brush Set, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch. Okay, see, this is why I'm a fan of getting brushes inside of my subscription box. Manufacturer suggested retail price, $85. Okay. Oh, but they're beautiful. Oh, you know what? I could have put the other set that I just got. Well, I'm sorry. Okay. And this is what the brushes look like. Oh, that is just gorgeous. And let's see. True to form, each one is listed for the use on the brush handle. Okay, and this is the contour brush. Luxie brushes are amazing. It's very dense, very nice. Okay, so this is the brush, and we have 8 pieces included. I'm still having a moment at $85 though, but thank you. I appreciate it. And that is item number 1. The next item we have is by Frank Body. And this is the Caffeinated Glow Mask. And let's see. Our description card says, this moisturizing face mask is natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and give skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $21.95. And according to this, wow, they're up here putting up threats. Glow on, I dare you. That's what it says. For, I'm not sure what this means. For bouncy skin, apply a thick layer 2 to 3 times per week. Massage into skin and leave on 10 minutes. Rinse and glow. Somebody's facts are incorrect. The card says it only takes 5 minutes. This one says leave it on for 10. I'm more inclined to agree with what the packaging says. So that is item number 2. Then we have item number 3, the Hip Dot Palette. Okay, and it says C-Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of C-Note. And homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. In this hyper pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $30. The packaging is gorgeous, but even their package from a couple months ago was gorgeous. So let's just see what the shades look like. Now, just so you know, this is vegan. They do not test on animals. Paraben-free, talc-free, mineral oil-free, and it has a 12-month shelf life. It does come with a mirror, and the shades are everything they said. Look at that. We've been getting a lot of blues lately. I guess that's the going thing. I'm interested to see what look we create with this. So we're going to go ahead and swatch Subsurface. We're going to swatch Cave, and we're going to swatch Goddess. And here they are, and wow, this is really very close to my skin tone. I thought it kind of messed up, but it clearly didn't. So this is what the swatches look like. This right here, can you see that? I mean, this is really, really close to my skin tone. Wow, that's beautiful. I am truly feeling Goddess. Truly feeling that. Okay. Well, let me get this off my hand. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And the next item we have is by Sunday Riley. I love Sunday Riley stuff, especially vitamin C, but this is the first time I'm trying this and I am excited. This one is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It's an all-in-one, and the description card says this multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Its high potency formula exfoliates dull, pore clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smooth, clearer skin. The skin brightening licorice, this super concentrated treatment also visually reduces the look of dark spots and discolorations caused by exposure to the sun for naturally brighter, even toned skin. And true to form, manufacturer suggested retail price for this 1 fluid ounce size is $85. Okay, so I have nothing bad to say. I love Sunday Riley products, so I'm here for this. So that one is item number 4. Now this is a Luxe box, so you remember we do get quite a few products in here during the Luxe month. And the next item, this one was a choice item, is the Rockin Cosmetics Hot Mess Threesome. My husband's sitting across the room from me. Yes, his head popped up. Okay, I'm just saying. Anyway, oh, babe, stop. I can't. Okay, so the description card says, get in a hot mess with Rockin's Maxi Glitter Gel Pens Threesome. Choose from one of these 3 intense shades: Viridian Green, Midnight Blue, or Beatnik Black. Blend all around the eyes to create drama and sparkly dance floor magic. I'm not doing that. Anyway, the manufacturer suggested retail price for these 3 gel pens, glitter gel pens, $40. Just so you know, you just twist it so you don't have to fight with trying to get the plastic off, okay? So the shades that I have, this is the blue. This is really pretty. Look at that one. This is the blue, the black, and of course the green. That green goes well with the Goddess eyeshadow shade. Okay, so I love these shades. I like a jumbo pencil. They're very convenient to travel with, to use. However, what I do not like about them is when it's time to sharpen them, because it's very difficult to find a sharpener that these will fit in. The fortunate part of this, look at that. Yes, they are retractable. Okay, we can twist them out, and I love that. Thank you very much. Okay, so moving right along. I'm not happy. I like this. It's probably amazing, but I'm not happy. We'll talk about it and then I'll tell you why. I'm not going to open it. The next item that I have is the Beauty Co. Original Glam Smile Kit. It says your Beauty OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Beauty's mission is to accompany you in the clouds, elevating your self-care routine while maintaining angel status. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $89. I love this kit. Love it. The reason I'm having a challenge with it is because why are you given the opportunity to choose an item? You choose that item and you do not receive it. I will be contacting BoxyCharm this month. I love the products, love everything that was in the boxes. However, I have a challenge with the fact that what I ordered, I don't have. Nonetheless, it says steps to whiten your teeth. 1 to 2 shades lighter in each treatment, 15-minute sessions, and no sensitivities. Okay. That's this one right here. Oh, there's something else in the box. No, it's not what I wanted, but there is something else in here. This is I think they're trying to tell me something. Okay, let me find this on here. This is by the Lifestyle Company, and this is 100% natural calming temple rub. I guess they knew they were going to send me the wrong item. They're trying to they're trying to give me a message. Anyway, it says, what's more relaxing than lavender? This temple rub, of course. The super blend of oils can help assist in relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $24. I need it right now. Oh, I like the roller ball. Okay, it's not working. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. So this is the last item that I have, and I do like the way that it was packaged. It was wrapped in the plastic, so I did not have to worry about my bottle bursting. So, okay. This was not a terrible box. It was actually a very nice box. I'm just a little disappointed because, actually I'm a lot disappointed because I actually chose the earrings. And if I was not going to get them as a result of my choice, I would have purchased them when we did our add-ons. Come on, BoxyCharm, y'all kind of did me in this month. I'm not happy about this. But nonetheless, the box, the contents of this box, they are amazing. You can't dispute that. I just would like to get the things that I chose. That's all I'm saying. So, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Here are the items that were in this month's BOXYLUXE box, and down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that were included. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.